Too often, processors mixing powder into liquid using an in-tank mixer do not receive the quality results they desire. While in-tank mixers can mix powders into liquid, they don't do so quickly or efficiently. For example, if you've ever made a glass of chocolate milk by mixing powdered cocoa into milk, you know you're always left with chunks of powder that float at the top and stick to the sides and bottom. That's what many processors experience with an in-tank mixer, but on a much larger scale. Their only choice to achieve the product consistency they need up until now has been to add more powder to the tank and run the in-tank mixer longer. Doing this may eventually produce the consistency they need, but with the price of wasted time, as well as wasted ingredients in the form of clumps of powder or fish eyes settling at the bottom. This is where the Fristam FS Shear Blender can help. By adding a Fristam FS inline shear blender to your current setup, you can be assured all your ingredients will get thoroughly mixed into the fluid. The Fristam FS uses an intermeshed rotor-stator system that quickly and completely disperses particles into liquid in just one pass. The rotor's teeth pass so close to the stator's teeth at high speeds that a tremendous amount of turbulence is created. As centrifugal force pushes the product towards the outlet, the intensity of this turbulence ensures that all ingredients are thoroughly blended before exiting the FS Shear Blender. By installing an FS Shear Blender after your existing mix tank, you'll receive a consistent, thoroughly blended product time after time without having to make a change to your overall process or current equipment. Your operators will still pour powder in the top of the tank, will still turn on their recirculation or pump-out pump. But now, in line with it will be an FS Shear Blender, ensuring your mix is done quickly and correctly. Learn how the FS Shear Blender can fix your mix today. Fristam.com/FS